Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some mind-blowing updates about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, including confirmation of just how powerful this upcoming phone will be. Make sure you hit subscribe now so you don't miss any future updates. Let's dive right in. Shocking news on the S25 Ultra's camera. First up, we have a tweet from SpioForTech claiming that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will no longer feature the 3x zoom camera. According to this leak, the S25 Ultra will come with only 3 cameras and a laser sensor. However, I must clarify that SpioForTech is a relatively unknown leaker without much of a following, so take this information with a grain of salt. On the other hand, we had a tweet from the well-known leaker Ice Universe, who asserts that the S25 Ultra will indeed retain its 4-camera setup. Ice Universe suggests that Samsung won't be removing the 3x zoom lens, though an upgrade is possible. He also mentioned that we need to wait for more detailed information. Next, we have some exciting news about the battery life of the S25 Ultra. While the battery capacity will remain the same as the previous model, AI improvements will optimize background tasks and usage patterns, potentially extending battery life by 5 to 10%. This is excellent news for users looking for longer battery performance. In terms of performance, Samsung is expected to follow last year's strategy by equipping all S25 Ultra models globally with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Meanwhile, the S25 and S25 Plus will feature the Exynos 2500 in certain regions. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, built on a 3M process, will run at higher clock speeds than previous Qualcomm chipsets. Digital Chat Station has hinted at significant GPU performance improvements, suggesting that the S25 Ultra will handle graphically demanding games like Genshin Impact at 1080p flawlessly. One of the most intriguing rumors is the potential for a full-screen display with no punch-hole camera. According to a recent source, Samsung has made advancements in under-panel camera technology, which could be featured in the S25 Ultra. However, the technology is not yet perfect, and prototypes are still being tested. AI enhancements may also help improve selfie quality using the rear cameras when high-resolution selfies are needed. Comprehensive specs and pricing. For those of you eager to know more about the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, here's a detailed rundown. Samsung Galaxy S25. Display: 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1080x2000, 340 resolution, Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Cameras: 12MP punch-hole front camera, triple rear camera setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, USA, Exynos 2500, global. Memory and storage: 8/12 GB RAM, 128 GB to 512 GB, UFS 4.0 storage. Battery: 4100 mAh, 45W fast charging. Connectivity: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband. Software: One UI 7 based on Android 15. Price: starting around $800, launching in January 2025. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Display: 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1440x3000, 120 resolution, Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Cameras: 12MP punch-hole front camera, triple rear camera setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, USA, Exynos 2500, global. Memory and storage: 12 GB RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0 storage. Battery: 4900 mAh, 45W fast charging. Connectivity: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband. Software: One UI 7 based on Android 15. Price: starting around $1,100, launching in January 2025. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Display: 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz, HDR10+, 440 x 3120 resolution, Gorilla Glass Armor 2. Cameras, 12MP front camera, potentially under panel, quad rear camera setup, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, periscope. Processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 globally. Memory and storage, 12GB RAM, up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Battery, 5000 mAh, 45W fast charging. Connectivity, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband. Software, One UI 7 based on Android 15. Price, starting around $1,300, launching in January 2025. Exciting AI and software features. Samsung is heavily focusing on AI and software enhancements thanks to their partnership with Google. This collaboration is expected to bring impressive new features to the S25 series, enhancing the user experience significantly. Conclusion: while the design of the Galaxy S25 series might resemble its predecessors, the upgrades in display, camera technology, chipset, and software are substantial. The potential for a full-screen display is particularly exciting. Although it might not be a must-have upgrade for S24 owners, those with older models or new to the Galaxy S series will find it an excellent choice. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any news. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.